Hi everyone, welcome back to Sunny Egg Crafts. Today we are going to show you how to draw these kawaii beds. Let's get started. So let's start with a circle. I'm using this illustration app to show you this step-by-step guide, but you can just use a piece of paper and follow and learn how to draw the kawaii bedjan. So now we draw the right ear. Draw the same again for the left ear. Then we outline the oval shape for the eye, so the bigger, the cuter. And we just try to position the eye a bit lower, and I'm going to reposition it later as well. So now we draw the reflection, so the light reflection of the eye. We outline the eye shape, then outline the light reflection. Then we fill in the black color. But I did it in a reverse way, it's just easier for me when I was using my app. Now we do another one on the right. If you have this app, you can just duplicate the layer, then flip, then drag to the other side. And now we're going to draw the mouth. Start with a little tiny curve right underneath between the eyes, and then the other curve for its lip, with a little cute vampire teeth on both sides. Then we draw a small U right between the teeth of its little mouth. A triangle in black color for its nose. And it's time to add the little bat wings. So first we do a big curved line, then 3 more little curved lines on the bottom, then link them together, and we do the same for the other side. I'm just repositioning the eyes for my batjan now. Okay, so to make batjan look extra cute, I'm just going to add 2 little oval shapes next to the eyes on both sides to give a little blush to his cheek, starting from the right hand side, and we do the same again on the left. If you are using the same app, so see how I'm showing you on the video, just click the layers, make sure you add a new layer whenever you create a new object. Select your layer that you want, swipe it to the right and click duplicate, and then we click the arrow icon, choose flip horizontally to mirror the image. Drag to position. Now our batjan is ready for coloring, and I'm just going to merge all the layers into one layer. Click onto the layers using 2 fingers, one select the top and one select the bottom, and just do a tiny little pinch motion to join them together. Click onto the layer again, then select reference, create new layer and drag underneath the joint layer. And now it's time for coloring. I'm just using a dark grey color to color his body. So you just carefully fill in the color, then color part of his ear with the same color on both sides as well. And I'm just gonna do one more curved line to the wing to add more contrast and give it more definition. So see how I'm drawing the curved line right now, and then I'm kind of reposition it. But if you're drawing on a piece of paper, you can, just extend your line a little and erase the thing that you don't want. So here I'm just going to reposition it slightly and click onto the rubber icon and clean up some imperfections. And we're going to do the same for the right hand to the other side. Click onto the layer again, duplicate, flip horizontally, then drag and position. Merge all layers once again with 2 fingers, select the first and third layer, then we click back onto the layer 2. So this step is really important, so make sure that you don't forget. You click onto the layer which underneath the first layer that we merged all the layers together previously. And now we continue with our coloring. I'm just going to use a dark grey color for the top of the wing. Then we use a lighter grey, slightly lighter than the body, and you can choose the same color, but very light gentle hand when you color it and give it a good contrast. Then I'm just going to go for the peachy color to color its ear on both sides, then use the darker tone for its mouth and similar tone for the blush of its cheeks. And here is our kawaii batjan. and I hope you all enjoy this drawing. Don't forget to like and share that jam with your friends. We will see you again on our next video.